All right, let's look at creating a password now. So we've got some program we're protecting. To access it, the user's going to have to put in a password. And if they put in the correct password, they get in. If not, then they don't. So again, anytime we have an input, we have to have a variable. I'm just going to call this P for password. Equals input. Use my quotation marks. And let's try spelling it correctly. What is the password? So I'm going to say if P equals, and we need to use the double equal sign. Now this isn't a number, this is a string, so I need to put it in quotation marks. And yeah, we'll go with Shortridge. I'm going to put my colon to the end so that it automatically indents. So everything that's indented is part of this if statement. I'll print you may enter. All right, now I'm going to go with another if statement. Oops. All right, now we're going to go with the does not equal, and the does not equal is an exclamation point and equal sign. So if it does not equal, Shortridge high, I'm going to put my colon. Print go away. Okay, what is the password? You may enter. All right, let's say we go with personal tech. Go away. And that's all there is to the password.